Difficulty rating 5. Moderate. This is a challenging and narrow trail that can be flooded after heavy rain or during flood season in the summer. Trail ridden with high clearance 4x4. The Blue Trail connects Millers Boulevard at the east end and the northwest entrance of the Picayune Strand State Forest. Picayune Strand State Forest is in the heart of the Big Cypress Basin. The majority of this hydric forest is underwater during the wet season. The forest is a mosaic of cypress strands, wet prairie, and pine flatwoods in the lowlands and subtropical hardwood hammocks in the uplands. The northern section of the Belle Meade Tract contains many second-growth South Florida slash pines, with some remnant trees being over 100 years old. The forest provides a habitat for a variety of wildlife, including many threatened and endangered species. Although Florida panthers are rarely observed, visitors often find their tracks on many of the sandy roads and trails throughout the forest. The road conditions are a mixture of packed sand, loose sand, and some deep holes that can turn into 2 to 3 feet deep mud holes after rainy days. The road is narrow and challenging in some areas and not wide enough for 2 vehicles to pass. 4-wheel drive and high clearance are highly recommended. All vehicles must be street legal. Off-highway vehicles, OHVs, are prohibited on the Picayune Strand State Forest. A day pass for $2 or an annual pass for all state forests is required. You can purchase the pass online at https://floridastatiferous.reserveamerica.com. Please be aware that the cell phone reception is weak.
Boys, I've been drinking for days. Well, I stagger and I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days. And the reason I'm drinking, my woman got some low down ways. If you don't want me, baby, you ought to tell me so. If you don't want me, baby, you ought to tell me so. I'll get my trunk and my clothes, and out your door I'll go. Now tell me, baby, what you think of me. Well, now tell me, baby, what you think of me. You ain't been giving me no rest since I've been in Nashville, Tennessee. One more verse and I ain't gonna sing no more. I'm gonna sing one more verse and I ain't gonna sing no more. 'Cause my train is here and you know I gotta go.
Kirkland Hammock Primitive Campsite is located on the Bellmead Tract of Picayune Strand State Forest. Picayune Strand State Forest is located in Collier County, approximately 8 miles east of Naples, Florida. There are 2 campsites that are available for reservation online. There is no potable water or electric facilities at these 2 primitive campsites. Access to these campsites is on trails by hike, bike, or horseback. Access to campsite is via forest trails not suitable for non-4-wheel drive vehicles. Visitors with non-4-wheel drive vehicles can access the site by foot or horse. Access trails are underwater during the wet season. Recreational activities featured here are horseback riding, picnicking, off-road biking, bird watching, wildlife viewing, and hiking.